Hi, Philip Griffith here again, and now we're down to 6 weeks before Christmas. And as your professional photo organizer, I'd like to recommend that you consider using your photos on your holiday cards. We do this every year, and it's a great way to just show from year to year how the kids have changed and grown, how our families changed, different special events, trips, various things that we've done over the year. And it's a nice, quick visual way to show our friends and family what's happened. There are lots of options. This is a folded card, and we actually printed our family letter right in that. We could even use the back. There are flat cards where you can print on one or both sides, and so there are lots of different options for you. But using your photos to share your holiday greetings and just tell friends and family about what's happened with you over the past year is a great way to just share that holiday spirit and use your photos to tell your stories so that they'll last for generations.